Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Check that your phone model lists eSIM support and that your carrier offers eSIM for your plan. Once confirmed, note the device may and EAD and get the carrier QR or activation code. Make sure you back up current cellular settings and connect to stable Wi-Fi. You may need data to download the profile. If the device previously had a physical SIM, power it down, remove or note its slot number, and prepare to follow the carrier activation steps. You now install the eSIM profile by scanning the carrier QR or entering the activation code in Settings Cellular Add Cellular Plan. If the device shows Not Compatible, pause and verify the phone isn't carrier locked to another region and confirm firmware matches the carrier's requirements. Once done, update the OS and carrier settings. These often include eSIM fixes. If the QR fails, try the carrier's app or manual APN input. Make sure to reboot after each major change to refresh network stacks. You finish by selecting the new plan as the active line, enabling cellular data and preferred voice settings, then restart the device to finalize registration. Test voice, SMS, and internet. If provisioning stalls, toggle airplane mode and retry or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. If problems persist, ask the carrier to push a remote eSIM swap or reissue the QR. One key troubleshooting tip. If activation still fails after updates and swaps, perform a factory reset only after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.